guys, I love vacuums. So today, I'm gonna be vacuuming my hair with this giant vacuum, and it's gonna vacuum my hair off, actually, probably, because there's not much left since I just cut my hair recently, again. So today, I'm gonna be using this giant vacuum to blow dry my hair. I know, it's pretty crazy. I don't even know if it's gonna work. Oh. Okay, I did not mean to do that. Yeah, here we go. I've never tried this before. Okay, so in order to actually get this to work as a blow dryer, we have to take the filter out. We're gonna set it up for drying my hair, so here we go. That is actually really, really dirty too. I did not realize. Okay, you don't want to do that, by the way, just so you know. I think it's ready to dry my hair, everybody. We're going to start this right now. I'm gonna jump into the shower and we're gonna blow dry my hair. Here we go. Okay, so I'm ready to dry my hair, guys. I've got my shower here. I've got everything pretty much ready, and we're gonna wet my hair and everything, shampoo, all that stuff, and also just take a shower in general because it's been a while since I took a shower. Okay, it's been like a day, okay? I definitely take showers. That's why I own a shower. I mean, that's pretty normal, right? Isn't it? I don't know. Maybe it's kind of weird. Make sure you take a shower, guys, if you have a possible way to. So, that'd be nice, you know? We wouldn't want to go around smelling like, humans, you know? Okay, guys, I'll see you back in just a second. Here we go. So now we're gonna try to dry this hair off with a hair dryer. And as you can see, it's a mess. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. This is so weird. I think this is actually working. I feel like this is actually working. I can't tell if this is actually working or not. It seems like it's doing something. Hang on. Okay, here we go. So that worked out. As you can see, my hair is still pretty wet, but I mean, it did take out some of the water. It just wasn't like completely. I wouldn't buy one of these probably just to dry my hair off because, I mean, it is a vacuum. I mean, I would definitely buy one of these for blow drying my hair. That's kind of the point. It's a vacuum, of course. So in this vacuum, we have 3 freaking sucking things. That's right, I said sucking, and they will suck your friend's wigs off, or anyone you see in town. So this is the first one. I've already used this one once, so it was pretty good. This is the second one right here. It is a giant freaking sucker. And I'm probably not going to put this on my head because look how dirty that is. Would you put that on your face? Maybe, I don't know. But we do have this one. This one is for like, you know, getting in that spot that you couldn't reach. You never know what you missed. Don't try this at home. I'm a professional. Oh my God. This is definitely my new hairstyle. Oh! Okay. Eyebrow! Oh my god. That was very painful. I don't even know if you can hear me or not. If you can hear me, just like the video and subscribe because that would be really helpful. Let's try to get this video to 200 likes. Can we make it? We'll find out in the next Sebastian Waves video. Also, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel because I just vacuumed my freaking face and you should definitely subscribe just because of that. It was also a little painful because I got my ear stuck in it and my plug fell out, by the way. And also go watch my other videos because I have a, oh my god, what is this? Anyways, so I'm gonna have some videos posted right here on these two sides right here, guys. Click on those videos, check them out. There's gonna be some really funny videos. Also, I do music, as most of you know. Most of my music stuff is on Instagram right now. I'm gonna be posting a lot more stuff in the future, so these are very useful. I don't know if I would suggest you using one of these to blow dry your hair. I got some kind of use out of it, but I don't know if it was the proper use. As you can see, I look just like a model. Holy, my hair is amazing. No, this thing ruined my hair. Don't even try it, not even once. Don't try vacuuming your hair, it's a terrible idea. Anyways, we have a very special message for you. Hi, I'm Sebastian. And oh my god, you have a stain on your counter. Oh my god, that is so nasty. Oh my god, that is disgusting. With this shirt, we have actually designed it to where it can clean up any mess on the counters. Let me show you how that works. All right, this is a freaking mess right here. So today, we're gonna be cleaning it with the Sebastian Meeps t-shirt. Many of you have not heard of these or even know they exist. You'll see the results of cleaning the worst mess ever on your counters today. So some of you may get jelly all over your counter. Oh my god. Sebastian, what do I do about jelly on my... You just clean it up, and just like that, it's gone. And it still looks good, see? It's clean. It's incredible. You should click the link right here or right here. It's gonna be one over here. Oh, it's right here? Okay, you should click the link right here and go and purchase one right now because these are not gonna be here for long. But don't go away, there's more.